One of Cork's best public amenity walks has just gotten even better, thanks to a Cork Council initiative. The public amenity walk, situated at Castle Lake, in Little Island, located just beyond the entrance to the Old Cork Golf Club, has had its rough gravel surface upgraded to smooth tarmac macadam. This will greatly benefit those who wish to use buggies and wheelchairs, whilst making the going underfoot much more pleasant for walkers and joggers alike. Pathside earthworks and vegetation and tree landscaping works have also been carried out as part of the upgrade project. The 2-kilometre walk offers stunning panoramic vistas of the River Lee and Loch Mahon, Photo Island and the Railway Causeway. As well as Passage and Marina Point. The circular walk has many twists and turns, varying from shoreline paths to mature woodland, with enough varied views to keep the most avid walker interested and engaged. With many nooks and crannies, off the main path, and even woodland fairy houses, there is plenty to keep young explorers happy. The route is now populated with many seats and benches along the route, allowing walkers to pause and take their ease whilst taking in the views. One section of the walk passes alongside a woodland marsh, offering stunning views of the varied bird wildlife calling it home. This well-known visitor to the walk religiously feeds the birds as part of his routine. The walk, carpark has also been upgraded and extended, whilst a new children's playground has been installed. The walk has the added benefit of being located away from any roads and traffic, making it safe for young kids to roam free and explore, whilst the lack of road noise will be greatly appreciated by older walkers, who will appreciate the tranquility the location provides. Although the route does feature a single hilly section, it is easily managed by young and old alike. A jewel of an amenity, nestled in Cork's lower estuary, it is sure to appeal to walkers and nature lovers of all ages.